Now to a breaking news update. A neighborhood is recovering and investigators are on the scene of that home explosion in the East Bay. The explosion happened near Hayward yesterday morning. This is what the blast has left behind, with crews sifting through the rubble and the debris, piecing together exactly what happened.
And our team coverage continues tonight, starting with ABC 7 News reporter Ansar Hassan, who is live from the scene. Ansar.
And Dan, good evening. This investigation is still ongoing. The area around the house is now fenced off. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, began its investigation today. The reason they're out here is because once those gas pipes go from the meter to the street, that becomes their jurisdiction. Residents are still recovering from Thursday morning's blast that sent 6 people to the hospital. On Friday morning, a team from the NTSB began their investigation as well.
It's been a lot. Overwhelming is probably like the single best word to describe it. Just completely overwhelming.
Yeah. Brittany Maldonado lives directly across the street from the house that blew up. PG&E is moving them into a hotel since some parts of the street still don't have gas. The Alameda County Fire Department gave an update early Friday morning.
No changes in the status. The situation's stable. Walking the scene, just maintain that there's no hot spots left, so the fire danger is over.
PG&E declined an interview request, but in a statement to ABC 7 News, it provided more details about the timeline of events. PG&E says it was notified at 7:35 a.m. on Thursday that a third-party, non-PG&E construction crew, which was working on a county road improvement project, damaged an underground natural gas line while digging. PG&E crews were immediately sent to fix it. PG&E now telling ABC 7 News that crews worked to address more than one location of damage and subsequently 2 releases of gas. One release of natural gas was stopped at 8:18 a.m. and the second release was stopped at 9:25 a.m. The explosion happened 10 minutes later. Cassandra Bernal says residents have been complaining about the Alameda County roadwork expansion project for more than a year. One of her concerns, why residents were not given notice that the roadwork could impact the gas line.
I didn't know that the gas leak happened at 7:30, and so I don't know why they didn't have anyone evacuate if they knew that there was a gas leak and they're working in front of that house or that place that had the gas leak.
In a statement to ABC 7 News, Travis Miller, vice president of Redrick Construction, the company working on this roadwork project, says one of their subcontractors inadvertently struck a gas line and that, quote, "We immediately stopped work in the area and notified PG&E. PG&E instructed us to clear the area, which we did, and they took control of the situation." The Alameda County Fire Department says that it will likely be weeks before they can determine the point of origin of the explosion.